Ito yung we're in a parang big boat, no? It's an architectural marble. Ginawa niya, no? Para siyang boat. Sa taas tayo ng boat ngayon. This is made of, I think, teak wood. Yung hardwood dito sa Thailand. And this is shaped just like a boat. No, ito yung parang head niya. Sa taas tayo, naglalakad. You have mga tao sa ilalim, mga liit, no? So, let us see. Dito sa taas mismo, you can see yung yun. Ito yung loob nito pala. Oh, ang ganda, no? From here, you can see yung ilalim. Wow. Very nice yung roof niya. No, ang ganda, huh? Taas ka, tulukso ka dyan, mahulog ka, no? Dito tayo sa taas. So this tip of the boat is also tip of the land islet siguro, no? Tawag natin. But it's on the converging point, no? Two rivers converging. Ito yung silalim, sobrang liit. We go here. So nag-date din, makikita mo dito, no? Mga tourist. So we have mandatory 2 hours break, no, from City of Tak kanina. But before City of Tak, we left yung City of Lampang morning. 2 hours to Tak, then from Tak to here, no, Nakhon Sawan. I don't know if tama yung pronunciation. Ito yung destination, tourist destination dito, no? Very nice. Okay, made of hardwood yung flooring niya. Okay. Yun ang ganda, pang postcard, oh. Very nice. And if you want palibot, ayan, postcard, no? Ayan, so taas ako ng parang ulo ng huge na boat. Ayan, makikita mo mag-debate sa unahan, no? Nag-selfie sila. Okay.